Corvias Maintenance. Today we're going to talk about carpet care. So as most of you know, of course, we have carpet in the downstairs and upstairs of our homes, in most of them anyway, and we want to talk to you about what to do to take care of them. The number one thing is vacuuming. You can do that at any time, as many times as you want, just taking care where the carpet ends and transitions into a flat floor. This will be into your bathrooms. Sometimes your back entryway will have a transition. You want to be very careful because the roller function of that vacuum can pull the carpet out and damage it. One other thing we want to talk about is with it being hot weather, there are fleas outside. If you have inside pets that do go outside sometimes, that is a danger of them bringing the fleas inside. If you do notice fleas, you can give us a call or you can treat them yourself. However, if you do, whichever one you decide to do, should I say, there is some aftercare. You want to make sure that when you vacuum every day after the treatment until you no longer see any evidence of fleas. You want to take your canister outside and dump it into the trash can itself, and do not let it be near your home. This will help to ensure that you don't get a reinfestation. If you have any other questions regarding carpet care, by all means give us a call on our maintenance line and we'll have someone come out and answer your questions. This is Eric with Corvias Maintenance saying, see you next time.